You can see the huge brewing tanks on the screen through which the beer making process. Wow.
Heineken!
Heineken.
I love you!
I love you. Hi everyone, welcome to the second part of Heineken Experience, where you will dive into the brewing process, enjoy an exhilarating 4D ride, and embark on the tasting adventure. My name is Vicky. Before we begin the tour, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. This will help our channel to grow. Here you can see variety of Heineken beer bottles displayed in the showcases. My agent booked the Heineken Experience tour along with a 1-hour Grey Line City Canal Cruise, including a snackbox. The cost of this trip is 40 euros. On this tour, you can redeem the token for 2 free beers at the Heineken Bar. You can see the huge brewing tanks on the screen through which the beer making process takes place. After this video, check out the Canal Cruise video. You will explore the stunning Amsterdam city buildings along the canal. Brewer tanks, also known as fermenters or kettles, are used in the beer making process to ferment and store the beers as they undergo the chemical reactions. These tanks are crucial for fermenting the wort, sugar liquid from malted barley with yeast, allowing the conversion of sugar into the alcohol and carbon dioxide, which results in beer. Now I am heading towards 4D ride, where you will enjoy the wonderful experience of brewed and beer.
No, because if you feel bad inside, I'm gonna be all the time with you. I can take you out of the ride at any time you want. Okay? So we're gonna be 4 people per row. Per number, so times 8, 32 people, per budget, whatever. But that's okay. Let's make sure that we do not lean against the walls. Come on over, guys. Yes. Max 4 people per number. We're going to have space for everyone.
Welcome in the kennel. You are about to experience the famous Heineken brewing process from the inside. It all starts with water. We add malted barley.
waiting to just give you the perfect beer. Yes, and once you have a
Hi,
beer,
guys.
please
Cheers.
come all the way to me, okay? Thank you. Just please don't block the doors or anything, and focus on my voice and me. Thank you. Just please don't finish the entire beer just yet as well, okay? Because, well, drinking is a team sport, and I want you to drink with me all together, right? So, first of all, what are we doing here? I'm going to teach you how to become the perfect tasters of Heineken beer. So, we're going to do 3 steps, but before we do them, well, I want you to appreciate the beer with me, okay? So let's put the glasses up and repeat right with me, okay? So, wow!
Wow.
Heineken!
Heineken.
I love you!
I love you.
And I want to
I want to
drink you!
drink you.
Yes, beer feels appreciated now and feels ready to be tasted, right? So, first of all, we are going to take a look. One more time, glass up, tell me, what color do you see? The golden color, yes, color of champions, exactly. So now, please swirl the glass around your nose. Tell me, why do we swirl the glass like this? No, that's even easier than that. It's not about releasing an aroma. What do you mean? I don't. No. That's nothing to do with the beer. It's simply because we want to look cool, right? Yes, we want to look like professionals. We want to look like we know what we are doing. Yes? Now, perfect. What we are going to do, we're going to do it one more time. Tell me, what do you smell? Inside. And think outside the box. Outside the 4 ingredients that you know.
Success.
Yes. What else? But actually I'm looking at a certain fruit, starting with letter B. But success is definitely one of the things. But it's not a fruit. And barley isn't either, just to let you know. So, it starts with letter B. And it's very popular fruit.
Banana.
Yes, it is actually. Well, that's at least what our experts tell us. But honestly, I didn't want to believe it either. But when I drink a few more beers, then when I try again, I really smell the bananas. So that's the same thing that I recommend you. Drink a few beers and take a smell one more time, and maybe you will smell plenty of bananas then. Yeah? So one last thing I want to do with all of you. Raise the toast, finally. I know you're waiting for a long time. Now, I will make this moment a little nicer. And we are in Netherlands, so we are not going to say cheers. We are going to say proost. So on the count of 3, the loudest possible proost for me. All right, everyone? 1, 2, 3. Proost. Yes, enjoy your beer. And in the meantime, please follow me and my lovely beer to the VIP area of drinking. Make some photos if you want, just be hurry. Just be fast, and well, you can finish the beers here. Once you do that, put the glass in the glass collector, like this, and follow the stairs to the best bar, where you will exchange the 2 tokens you have for 2 beers in return, which are going to be bigger than this. Trust me, you have no idea. So guys, thank you a lot. Prost! And have a good time with us.
Now I am heading towards the beer bar. The 4D ride was truly fascinating and incredible, unlike anything I have ever experienced before on a tour. If you have not liked the video or subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. On the way to the bar, you will notice several companies that Heineken sponsors. Don't miss the upcoming Canal Cruise video where you will journey through the enchanting canals and marvels at the stunning building of Amsterdam. I have now arrived at the beer bar where we can redeem our tokens for 2 complimentary beers. I will catch you in the next video featuring the Canal Cruise. Until then, keep your travel happy.